Hey guys, I'm back with Renault Megane, and today what I will show finally how to replace this small piece. Fuel filter for Renault Megane. You have water sensor, then you have connector somewhere here, and you have to put the sensor back in by yourself, and you don't get it with it. So if it's broken, it's different part, at least I think so. And I never done this before, so if I can do, most probably you can as well do it. Fuel filter is located under here, and you have to remove this cover here. Of course you have to remove the tire first. I will not show you how to do it, but it's always a good idea to put some sort of stones or whatever else under your tires if you are not sure that this is rather leveled up place, as I'm doing it on the ground. So then I will just put some bricks under there. Safety first. How to remove this plastic cover. Here you can see, here is one torque screw, because I have different kind here since it's been opened sometimes I think, and they have changed these ones. This is with torque, so you have to have some sort of set to do this work. Here just Phillips Plus, but as well as you will need to remove this one. I think it was just screwdriver. Then here's one more, here's one more, under there's one more, under there's one more, and I think that's about it. You just have to pull them out. When you're under them, don't try to break them. See, just softy rubber, just put some like that. One is under there, I will not show you. I will have to replace these ones, you'll have to find them. Maybe you have to as well buy quite few of these spare ones, because they're not supposed to make for many times use. It's good too, 3 or 2. So all these removed, now just 2 bolts here, this one and this one here. I will not show you this, no point of that. See, not too hard work. Take this out. So cannot change the lamp by the hole. You can take this out as well. It will just take a little bit more time. You will have more access to change your old lamps or whatever else. This is the old one, as you can see, and this is a new one. So what you can see looks like this, goes like that on. Looks quite same. Also you have to remember the correct lines, which were where, so you don't mess up the ways how that goes. And here's under the sensor what you have to take out, because you can see comes without this one, but this is here, so you don't have to replace this lower part. So first you must remove this fuel filter electricity connector. To take this out, I've done this before, so I'm not sure. Take this out, and we'll see how it will work. And so now you can take this off. It would be wise to mark these ones, these little pipes, so if you have something to mark them, it will be very good. I'll check if I have something to mark them, even some sort of metal piece or whatever. But I think there's some sort of pressing button, so I will just press it and try to pull this one towards me. Start maybe with this line. You see there is also a red button. That's good. Oh yeah, I removed one. So this is somewhere going already. Good, good. Okay, one more down. See some fuel spill. It's okay. I know I have more space to remove this one. Okay, this is down too. And the last. Okay, there I have some more space for the last one too. Good part, actually you can rotate this one, so you can access more space there. Okay. That's done. So this is how it looks. I'll most probably clean a little bit these lines. So guys, this is the old filter, as you can see. Pretty heavy. Looks dirty. Oh, don't forget to remove this one. If you're doing it on garage floor, put something under there. But what you have to do, just rotate this one and pull toward you. And here you can see this probably measures the level of the water. This is inside. What you want to do next? Maybe clean this one so everything is clean and nice. Take your new filter. Maybe there's some dust, but for the safety reason, check a little bit out and remember how it was. So I kind of took like this one, and just press it this on top and then rotate, and when it's nice in place, it's okay, ready to go. So make sure, yeah, you see, now it's in lining up, and this is in the middle, this little piece. I don't know if you can see, but anyway, easy to do. And this is for draining, so you will need to use this one after you install this one, so there's no air. I think so, maybe it will work or not. Never done this before, as I said. When you clean this, I suggest you to put this one in order as you remove this, all these lines, like, because they are same. Plus I get a feeling that it's also, you can see, it's interesting, you even know how to mark these ones, because here's green, here's red, and on connectors there's also, this is these buttons are green and these are red, so I'm not show you right now because this is quite deep in, but maybe you can see it's green and this was red, as you remember. So easy to understand. I think you just have to slide this on the top and press it in. It will just lock like this, super easy. And go with the next one, which you cannot see right now, but I can. Okay, this is in place. And that's about it. If you also hear the click behind there, then you have to slide this one back on. So when you hear the click sound, just take this one, make sure to clean it white. There's no diesel anymore, but no worries. And then remember, it's kind of on the feeling, just have to find where to hang it on top. You'll find, just easily slide up. And you see there's only these 3 bolts, so if you hang these 3 on top, like these 2, and these will slide easily in. You can see if it moves or not. Just for the safety reason, you can try to put it a few times more up and down, but it seems like it's in a good place right now. Doesn't move anywhere. Next part, don't forget to put this back. Like this was it. And then look for your old pin. Just put this slide one back as it was. If you remember it. Just check it. You can move it or not. If it's fine, it's good. So next, take your good old cloth. Let's wipe everything clean everywhere around. where the fuel spilled. Then go here, put some of the fuel of your clothes here, around everywhere, because this will spill a bit more. Then go and open your trunk. And locate this little piece. So guys, next thing, so what you have to do, you have to find your hand inside there when you're touching it. You can go down there and look if something comes out when you're pressing it. Also check if there are no leaks. I'm pressing a lot right now. See, still pressing it. So the bad part is that I for some reason didn't record the part how I bleed this, and that's sorry, but it's easy to do, but takes some time. So first thing you do, remember, just find this little pump, and the next thing what you have to do, find this one, and you have to open it quite a lot, not just a little bit, but quite a lot. And when you have opened it a lot, you have to press the pump down, really hard down. In my case it's already good, as you see, and when it's air comes out, you will not see any stream in the beginning. You close this one. I at least did it like that. I'm not sure if it's working or not. And then the pump sucked in some fuel, and then repeat the process many times until you will see that and when it's closed, let the pump go, as I said. Then again open this one a lot, then press the pump down as much as you can, and then close it again when it's still holding the pump, and repeat the process till you see the bubbles and you see some stream, and when it's steady stream then you can stop it, and of course clean everything here around. Sorry for not showing how I bleed. It wasn't too hard, so hope you understood it. So let's try and start the car. Let's hope there is no air in the system, or if there is, I don't know what I'll do. So what I do, I usually start the car. Okay, it's stalled. Actually, this is the line goes into the pump, one of the lines, I think so. So what I will do, I will just disconnect this one. Here it's also easy to do it. As you see, there is no fuel coming out. That's bad. So guys, after quite some thinking, actually pressed this a lot of times, and suddenly I could see that there's fuel coming in, and you can feel the pressure. Right now I remove this one, but I will most probably put it back if I see some fuel coming there. And I can feel that there is a fuel inside. That's a good sign. Means that all you need to do, you can take this one off. This just a couple of these little safety bolts, but on the plastic, so easy to do. And then yeah, I can feel finally the fuel coming in. Oh yeah, there's coming in some air as well. You see, I better put this back so I don't spill everywhere. This the fuel. Nice. And yep, coming in some fuel. Let's feel some pressure finally. That's good. Some air bubbles inside still anyway, but you know, that's not a big deal for me. See what's coming out here. Oh, that's some pressure. Oh man, on my phone. That's not nice. And also on my camera lens cover. So yeah, as you see, no, here's a lot of pressure in. Let's try and start the car now. When finally got some pressure there, so no need to put any extra work in so many places. As you see before me, I tried to do so useless stuff. Just a lot more pressurizing, pumping. I got a feeling that it will start very soon, because you could see she managed to pump in a lot of fuel here. Finally, here is the fuel in. Let's put some more pressure in maybe. If it's true that this has some automatic air release, then why to worry? Just a bit more pressing and let's try to start again. Oh yeah. Okay, it's working right now. Let's hope this is going to get some of this water not, but this air out. Let's see. A lot more actually this vibration, but working right now. Maybe I have to let it. Okay, I will just kill it right now and let's go and look there one more time. So first you can remove this one, a couple of these little screws, just take them away. Then you get access to this little under there pump, and you just have to press it a lot till you can see that some fuel comes in, and when the fuel comes in here and there has some pressure there, you cannot anymore squeeze it, then you can try to start car and it should run. And as I have read that the car, this high pressure pump actually bleeds the air itself, so not too big trouble, but you can actually, as you can see, I'm trying kind of bleeded the filter. I don't know if I did it right or no. I'm not sure if it's necessary, but I did it. Maybe I just wasted some fuel. Who knows? Let me know in the comments, and as you could see, I could replace fuel filters, so there's no way that you cannot replace it. And I hope I at least could encourage you, but do it at your own risk, since never know. But make sure that you put the connections, everything back as they were, so there are no air leaks, otherwise you will not be able to start the car anyway. And if you got some more questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. To put back this plastic cover there, remove, to put all these bolts, maybe some new ones, these plastic bolts too, and of course put back the tire, take out all the stones and everything, and jack down the car, and then see how it goes.